then that free lead magnet that they're promoting for me to their audience who knows, likes.
I'm Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money online fast and easy. Isn't that exciting? So let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now if you're currently looking here, we're going to be using a website called ClickBank.com, and there's different ways you guys can find affiliate offers, but basically ClickBank.com is an affiliate network where you can go ahead and find products that other people have created to generate commissions online. Now, what that means is that you get paid in affiliate marketing to refer other people's products. So you don't have to create the products, you don't have to deal with customer service, you don't have to deal with cancellations or all that extra stuff of creating a product or doing something like e-commerce or anything along those lines. They deal with all that hassle. All you have to do is figure out how to get people to their affiliate offers. Now, there's other places where you guys can find affiliate offers. For example, with this affiliate product, I've made $43,925. This is outside of ClickBank. And if you guys want to know about that affiliate offer that I'm currently making $1,000 per day, go to ericsnewbook.com. I'll give you access to my free book, which teaches you about affiliate marketing a little bit more in depth, as well as I'll be introducing you guys to the same affiliate offer that I'm currently leveraging to generate $1,000 paydays. Now, let's get into the content. Now, first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is create our ClickBank account. Then we're going to go ahead and be able to get access to the affiliate marketplace. Once we get access to the affiliate marketplace, we want to go ahead and pick a niche and then an offer. A niche is basically, to keep it easy, what we're looking at right here is a category. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and talk about health and fitness, right? So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and shop for different products that have a right commission structure, that have a really good sales materials, so on and so forth. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at Cinderella Solution. They have 435 people, which the gravity score, 435 people who have made money within the last week. So that means that this product is doing pretty well. Now, I probably wouldn't promote it per se because you're going to be competing with a lot of people, but for time's sake, for example's sake, let's just take a look at this one. Now, to show you guys what that looks like, I'm going to go ahead and actually open up the sales video. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be promoting this sales video, and how it works, guys, is that in the weight loss industry, obviously our target audience is people who want to lose weight. Now, with your different products, they can be different target audiences or different outcomes, right? So, for example, if I was in the sports one or the self-help, let's just say if I was in the self-help, people were trying to attract the opposite sex. That would be our target audience, people who are trying to attract the opposite sex. And the same thing with any affiliate product. They're solving a problem. We want to go ahead and find a problem, or excuse me, a solution to their problem. So this example, the solution that we're providing is this affiliate offer, which is going to be selling an affiliate course to where we can earn, if you notice here, we can earn $34 per sale. So what I'm going to do is this is what the actual product looks like. Now, the next thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead, instead of sending people directly to this page, especially with the method that I'm about to be teaching right now, is you want to go ahead and build out a 3-step funnel. Now, for time's sake, I'm not going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this, but if you guys want to, in the resources section, there will be the software, and once you get access to the software, they actually have training teaching you guys how to build out these web pages. So you'll literally see something called sales funnels in the bottom in the resources section, and you guys can get access to this. But for example, I actually built out this 3-step funnel, and just to explain what it looks like, what I'm doing, guys, is I'm giving away a free PDF. So 99% of women are doing the same outdated workouts and diet gimmicks. Discover this weird Japanese female fat loss code missed by modern medicine that leads to shocking daily weight loss. So download the free PDF. So instead of sending people directly to the affiliate offer, I'm going to be sending them to grab access to this free thing. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the importance of doing that. So after they put in their email to get access to this free thing, there's going to be a second web page called a bridge page that I created, where I'm going to be redirecting these people. I'll even show you guys an example if it loads fast enough. I'm going to be redirecting these people to the affiliate offer. So basically, they put in their email to get access to the free PDF. So it says one more thing: the PDF will arrive in your inbox in 10 minutes. It will show you how this weird blah 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 blah, and then there's going to be a learn more button. Now this learn more button is going to redirect them to none other than, now as stated before, guys, if you guys want access to this software for free, go down below in my resources section. But let me break down the psychology behind this. They requested access to this free PDF that'll teach them how to lose weight. on this page, I'm letting them know that it's going to be sent to their email, and then I'm going to redirect them to the affiliate offer, right? So with that being said, the whole importance of doing that is because we want to go ahead and actually capture these leads and build an email list. If you notice, guys, I have 20,000 subscribers, and the last email I sent out, I sent to 18,000 people. That's leverage, right? So when people don't buy, for example, when I send people to this page right here, if they don't buy the first go around, I can remarket to them with email marketing. Now, this is kind of what the process looks like. There's an opt-in page, but there's also a bridge page, that I added. So I'm going to be redirecting them to the affiliate offer, and if they don't buy, there's going to be this email list that I can start building and I can start remarketing to them. Now the question is, how do we get people here easily, fast and easily, right? That are congruent, that are interested in actually losing weight, and who would be interested in this PDF. Now also, if you guys want access to this software right here that I use to capture my emails and do my email marketing, do my email automation, they have training and teach you how to use their software as well. Go ahead in the resources section down below. It's called Active Campaign. You'll see something like email marketing. You guys can get access to that. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to be typing in search terms that the average individual who will be trying to solve this problem would search. So what I would say is how to lose weight, right? So how to lose weight, and I'm going to look for people who really, I'm going to go ahead and actually, I'm going to add some filters here, and I'm going to say the last month, right? So we're gonna look at Grains by Brains. So she only has 86,000 subscribers, which is good. If they have low subscribers, but they have a video that has really good views, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the about, I'm gonna go to view email address, I'm gonna go to, I gotta move this to my phone, submit. I'm gonna go to info@grainsbybrains.com, and then I'm going to go to Gmail. We're going to be reaching out to these influencers. So right here, if we look back to the actual model, we're going to be reaching out to these influencers to leverage their YouTube traffic to send to our lead magnet. The free thing is called a lead magnet, and we're going to be offering our free thing. So instead of giving them a long, spammy, ugly ClickBank link, I'm going to be giving them the link to my web page, my opt-in page, so that way they can promote my free thing. So instead of saying, hey, I want you to promote this weight loss offer, I'm like, hey, I have a free ebook, or I have a free PDF, or whatever it is that I'm trying to get traffic to. I like your content. How much would you charge for me to go ahead and insert my link in your description? So I'm going to type in the name, and I'm going to say business. What you want to type in is business inquiry, right? And I'm going to say, hey, what the freak is her name? Grains by Brains. Grains by Brains. I love your YouTube channel. I recently created an ebook. So this would be my lead magnet, right? I recently created an ebook to help women transform their body, lose weight, and gain more confidence. I was wondering how much you would charge for a review, or for me to insert the link of my ebook in your description. Look forward to hearing from you, Eric. So guys, instead of saying, hey, I'm trying to make money by inserting my affiliate link, I'm saying I want to go ahead and I'm basically promoting my lead magnet. So I definitely spelled transform wrong, but you guys get the point. Transform. And that's basically what you do, guys. This is a conversation. You reach out to them, and this is a freaking numbers game. You're not going to go ahead and get every single person, so I just press send. What we're going to do, guys, we're simply going to go ahead and leverage these influencers. As stated before, this is a numbers game, but this is free, not free, but this is fast and easy, guys. This is super easy. This is a traffic source that isn't hard or complicated like Facebook ads. You can reach out to these influencers. It's super targeted traffic because they're creating content around losing weight. And if I'm promoting a free lead magnet, let's just say a free book, a free PDF, a free report, a free case study, and I'm putting it in front of their audience who is interested in losing weight because they wouldn't have watched that video if it wasn't that case, right? Then that free lead magnet that they're promoting for me to their audience who knows, likes, and trusts them, so it's extremely warm, targeted traffic. I'm going to be sending them to my landing page, as stated before in the resources section down below. You guys can get access to the software that I use to build mine. And I'm going to be redirecting them through this sales funnel, and on the back end, I'm going to be redirecting them to my affiliate offer. So instead of just giving these influencers an affiliate link, I'm giving them something like an ebook or something to where they're like, oh yeah, sure, I'll go ahead and promote your ebook. Boom. I'm gonna get that traffic, send them through my funnel. For the people who don't buy, I'm going to be capturing those emails, leveraging my email marketing software, as stated before, resources section, grab access to that, and they'll be able to. Start building this email list, and simply from these different freaking influencers promoting my stuff, that these people are interested in this thing. Now, this doesn't have to necessarily be for the weight loss niche. This can be for any niche. This could be for people who create videos. By the way, for the most part, people who are creating make money online videos are not going to promote your shit, right? If you were to ask me to promote your lead magnet, why would I promote your lead magnet for you to pay me one off when I'm already promoting affiliate products? I just want to make that clear. Do not reach out to people in the make money online niche. It's a waste of time because they're not going to promote your shit. Second is go ahead and do this for any niche. Weight loss, self-help, romance, doesn't matter. The only one I would stay away from is the make money online niche. So with that being said, my friend, what we're going to be doing, guys, is using influencers, leveraging their audience to promote our lead magnets and selling affiliate products on the back end, capturing those leads, email marketing. And with that being said, guys, that's literally how you can make money online fast and easy.